What is up, everyone? This is part 2 of the levels tier list of how hard they are. Go check out my other one, part 1. And this is what we ended off with. We made it to about 65-ish? I don't know, something like that. Oh, we're 90. Jeez, we went through that fast. Alright. But no, there is like 1,000 levels, so we're not even halfway through. Like 500 it said, or 5,000. I don't know. Well, let's get to it. All right, 90, I'm dead. 91, I'm dead. 92, I'm dead. 93, I'm dead. Ooh. The 94 is an interesting one. You're safe during the day. There's no NTDs in daytime. But when it hits nighttime, there's fucking little creepy, like dolls that come after you and they'll try to kill you. So, I don't know. If there was no end, if it just stayed daytime, it'd be easy. I'd probably say probably. I think I could probably beat that one. That it's an interesting one though. And plus, you have to fight a clown at the end. I don't know. I could probably beat it though. 95, not coming out. 96, I'm probably dead. 97, I'm dead. 98, I'm dead. 99, is probably hard. 100, I don't know what level. Oh, wait, oops. Wait, I think I know this one. Yeah, I know. This one's hard. Level 414, I'm probably dead. 101, 100% dead. 102, again, like I'm 100% dead. I'm not living. 103 is also another interesting one. It's like the pirate ship, but a lot easier, so probably hard. All right. Oh, this one's a hard one. Ooh, 105. I don't think I know that one. Or 6. I don't think I know 8 or 7 or 9 or 110. There we go. Oh my gosh. That was a lot of levels. Jeez. All right. 112. That's a tough one. 113. I'm dead. 115 is interesting. Again, it's weird because it's not really entities, but like they'll come out. All right. 106. Probably hard. 117. Maybe I could probably beat that one. 18. 118. 19, I don't know. 20, I don't know. And 21, I don't know. 22 is hard. 23 is hard. 24 is hard. Gosh, it's so many levels, dude. I'll bring this guy because I know what this one is. Oh, where are the... Oh, it's right here. I know what this one is. This one is an all the way, you're flipping screwed. Screwed. All right. 125, not coming out. 126, not coming out. 127, it's probably hard. 128, I'm dead. 129, I'm dead. 130, I'm dead. 131, I'm dead. 132. 33. Maybe I could. 134. It's probably not coming out. 135. 136. 137. 138. 100. Oh, here we go. So this one is 100% dead. 100%. There's no way you can get out. All right. 140. Hard. 141. 142. 143. Really hard. 144. Okay. 145. 46. 47. 148. Those are all hard. 149. This is probably the hardest one I actually went to. It's the hurricanes. The hurricanes, there's entities. You can die by drowning because there's tsunamis. There's no almond water. That's a tough map. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. See if that was it. All right. 150. Maybe I can probably do it. 151. Hard. 152. Maybe I can probably. Oh my gosh, we barely have easy or probably. Barely, maybe. Oh, that's crazy. That just tells you of how hard these maps are. Look at all this. All of these are I'm dead or I'm not coming out. If these two confuse you, so this one's like I'm not coming out of that room. Like I can't there's no way I can come out. This one I would die so many times in that room. Like kept dying from entities and stuff. Like that. That's what it means. 153. Um, probably hard. 154. Probably I'm dead. 155. Not coming out. 156. Ooh, maybe I can probably do it. 157. However, finally another easy. The easy ones are rare. Those are rare ones. Okay. Mm, I don't know what that is. 159. I'm dead. 160. 161. Probably. I could probably be that one. I'm gonna end the video here because I'm done. But next time, it will not be me. It's gonna be my brother, John Marston. Hope that's okay. I hope you like this video, and bye.